Buonasera a tutti, maybe? Leon's the one who took Italian lessons, not me, but it is almost time for us to leave Bologna. So before we do, we have to do our room tour. We are at the Hotel Royal Carlton. It's kind of toward the north end of Bologna. And here is our room. Right behind me, door, long hallway. And I spy the inn. Immediately to our left, another mirror. And our luggage, Leanne again. And then the shower, we got the handheld wand, which is kind of nice for the flexibility versus a lot of other European hotels we've stayed at. We're very cramped, but this one is relatively open, which is nice. And minimal splash factor. Sometimes they do this a lot in the hotels we've stayed in, very open, but then the water will puddle out. But again, not here. Another mirror, single sink, and European specialty bidet and toilet and tissues, which is kind of rare for us with our nose blowing. And then we'll spin around and show you the rest of the room. A little bar, safe, and fridge are in there. Little boiling pot if you wanted some hot water. And I believe this is a sin, especially in Italy, instant cafe. So telling the Pope. A nice bureau for all of your writing. This is kind of fun. I haven't seen this too much. Glass on the top, and then you can kind of see through to the drawer underneath. All of our stuff. And that's our probably third lamp, as we'll count them. A nice TV. Flip channels the other night as we were figuring out our notes. Another rarity, sitting space. So this has been nice for us as we either have a little snack in between museum visits or just try and relax a little bit rather than sleeping. And pro tip for Leanne and me, we do like the twin bed setup. One of us, me, is a super light sleeper. So this guards against someone being woken up in the night if you have to go to the bathroom or jet laggy or whatever it might be. Leanne wants to show something.
I was going to just turn off the heat.
Oh, yeah. It does have individual heat control. Yeah, there you go. Most of the time we had the heat off in the room. It's quite tropical here in Bologna. I'll show you the view after these green and gold curtains. Very regal. Well, you can just see my reflection. So you have to take my word on it. And there's Leanne's reflection. But it looks out kind of on some palm trees, which is interesting. But Bologna has been beautiful. We have day tripped to Ravenna, which is about an hour train ride. And I think I put up photos, but a lot of beautiful mosaic churches. The tour was in Italian. And we know speaky. So that was a good 3 hours, but very beautiful. And we'll have to look it up later on what we saw. Tonight is our last night in Bologna, and we will head off to dinner momentarily. Leanne made some reservations, which was great because last night we wandered around and we were 0 for 4 trying to get into restaurants because we were booked up. But tonight, we have a reservation for our last feast in Bologna. So much good food, a lot of exclusively, I shouldn't say a lot of homemade pasta seemingly everywhere, and tasty ragu and ravioli and tortellini and all the things. So that is it, I think, from Bologna. We're going to go off to dinner and then probably post up some photos later of what we did today, which was a bunch of stuff. Started at the museum that was for the city of Bologna and got to see a string quartet play, which was nice to sit down. Normally, Lane and I wander around a lot. And then off tomorrow by train to Roma, where we'll figure out what we want to do next. For our friends back home in the Chicagoland area, enjoy all the snow for us. And in exchange, we will eat as much pasta as you have all received in snow. Ciao.
Buonanotte.